The process of doing research is way different than I would have expected it to be. It's a lot more interesting.
My study mainly focuses on currents in the East Mediterranean Sea.
I'm studying how climate change affects water quality and how the water quality in Merchants Mill Pond State Park affects subsistence fishing.
I'm studying calibration of sensors in the Arctic, and that's focusing on temperature data.
Actually got to do a lot of hands-on activities, and we got to assemble the sensors.
We're using maker buoys. It's solar powered, and it uses an iridium modem, which transmits data.
I'm trying to see how we can get state parks to implement water quality systems because not all of them have them.
The East Mediterranean Sea is unique, and it's also been labeled as a hotspot for climate change.
The ice that's melting in the Arctic, that's leading to sea level rise. So in a way, yeah, it is affecting directly what's happening at my home.
Yeah, it's actually really cool to be able to see what's going on halfway across the globe.
A lot of low-income populations can't really afford to buy groceries every single week, so they do fishing in these lakes. As climate change affects water quality, a lot of the healthier fish kind of die off, and what's left is the fish that feed on heavy metals, have a lot of mercury poisoning, that kind of stuff, so it has really adverse health effects.
This is expensive. That's one main reason. A lot of state parks don't have the funding to actually have this equipment. State parks can partner with universities, like how we did with Merchants Mill Pond State Park. In exchange for having a water quality system and having sensors being placed in their waters, we get to use the data from those waters. So it's a good partnership.
It's worth it to learn about the research process and get an understanding of how to write a research paper.
It's really crazy to me to think that I went from reading research papers a year ago to actually writing one.
I've just been really concerned with how global warming is going, and I wanted to do something because just sitting back and not doing anything was driving me crazy.